In the ever-evolving world of fitness technology, one name consistently pushes the envelope: Garmin. And now, all eyes are on what might become the most anticipated sports watch of the year, the Garmin Forerunner 975. Designed for endurance athletes, fitness aficionados, and tech enthusiasts alike, the 975 is poised to redefine what a GPS smartwatch can do. Although not officially confirmed, leaks, regulatory filings, and product patterns suggest a launch is imminent. Let's dive deep into what makes this watch a potential game-changer. It all started in December 2024 with an FCC listing under the ID IP 4968. While Garmin didn't explicitly name the Forerunner 975 in the documentation, the industry consensus is nearly unanimous. This is the watch in question. Historically, Garmin products appear in FCC databases just months before their release, and the Forerunner 975 seems to be following that same pattern. The 965 already boasts impressive GPS capabilities, but the 975 is expected to take things a step further. Enhanced multiband GNSS support, new satellite chipset improvements, and precision tracking could make the 975 the most accurate Forerunner to date. Whether you're navigating ultramarathon trails, urban jungles, or remote alpine routes, expect every turn, stride, and loop to be recorded with pinpoint accuracy. This next-gen GPS reliability is critical for triathletes, marathoners, and cyclists who need exact data to optimize routes, pacing strategies, and performance. Battery longevity is a hallmark of Garmin wearables, and the 975 is rumored to raise the bar even higher. Current leaks suggest it could offer 30 to 40 hours of continuous GPS activity tracking, outlasting most of its competitors. Even in smartwatch mode, users might enjoy over 2 weeks of use on a single charge. For ultra-runners, through hikers and long-distance cyclists, this kind of battery performance could eliminate the anxiety of mid-event recharging. No more power banks in backpacks or race interruptions. Garmin's sensor suite is already elite, with VO2 max estimation, heart rate variability, HRV, monitoring, and pulse ox included in existing models. But the 975 could introduce